Hello guys, this is the Kentish Train Spotter here, and welcome to another Trains App video. Today we're at Reading West on the something line. I never know what the line is before I start the Trains App, I'm naughty for that. So today you'll be seeing services by GWR, cross country, and maybe a freight train or two. Turning up here is 165 112 with the 0811 Great Western Railway service from Reading to Basingstoke. Always wanted to come to the station, so I thought, why not? On an awful day, but you know. See, I'll get going out in a second and enjoy the video here at Reading West. I've just missed a sleeper train. I'll probably include it now because I did catch it on my phone as I was walking up the platform, but yeah. Right, start trains out here at Reading West. Yeah, I really wasn't expecting this. Now that is running early. Oh, for goodness sake. It's just a straight walk down there. No, that roaring behind me. Oh, you're having a laugh. Couldn't film it properly for me video on YouTube. Ah, yeah, bugger. Oh well. Okay, to find out now is the delayed 0811 Great Western Railway service from Reading to Basingstoke. But by 165 112. Doing its thing for the environment. That's it. So yeah, apologies about the rain. Just hoping it won't interrupt the recording, but there she goes. So let's see what else I've done up here at Reading West. Okay, approaching in now is the 0817 Great Western Railway service from Basingstoke to Reading. We're by 165. God, this rain is atrocious. I'm absolutely drenched already. Then we're by 165 116. And there she is. Okay, heading off now is the 0817 Great Western Railway service from Basingstoke to Reading. By 165 116. Erupting into life. And as she goes out, I think there's a freight train just waiting outside, so once she goes, the freight train should be cleared through. Yeah, departing on a single yellow. Alright, the next train should be this freight train. Okay, passing through now is going to be a Freightliner 66 going from Lawley Street to Southampton. Six 533. Putting her foot down, called the Hanjin Express, that's the nameplate of it. There she goes, taking her intermodal down to Southampton. Lovely. That's it now, I don't think there's a freight train now for like over an hour. Might get the that 60 there, that 57 coming back hopefully. So it's running early, so hopefully we should get it coming back. Okay, pass for now is going to be a GWR 387 going from Newbury to London Paddington. (387-168). I don't know why the junction indicator is going left. I swear it's right to go to towards Reading. I don't know why she's going left for. Never mind. She's going straight. What? Oh no, she's going left. Oh. So I thought like she's going down there, but I thought they'd just go straight around, but she's going around there. I don't know. No, I don't know this area. Jesus Christ! But there she goes, off to London Paddington. Okay, pass for now is going to be a GWR IET going from London Paddington to Penzance. (802-105) opening up. There she goes. Quite unseen going around that corner. I have to swing up my camera last second, but there she goes. Alright, pass through now is going to be a GWR 387 going from London Paddington to Newbury. (387-149). Now where she goes. Next stop for her is Phil, I think it is. Unless she passes Phil, I'm not too sure. Now where she goes. Okay, approaching it now is the 0839 Great Western Railway service from Newbury to Reading. Worked by a 387. (387-165). And as behind her approaches in is going to be the, should have done me checks before. It's going to be the 08, also the 0839, no the 0841. Yeah, approaching now is the 0841 Great Western Railway service from Reading to Basingstoke, which will be the return of the 165 we saw earlier, I'm pretty sure. You know what, I've just gotten used to the rain now, I'm soaked. Just let it soak me now, so. At first I was like, oh, I got off a warm train, I was all dry. Now it's just like, yeah, just get me wet then. Nice to film 165s. I rarely film these for the channel. Well, rarely. Literally filmed like a few. So it's nice to get these in for the videos. And it is 165 116 returning. I shall get her going out in a second. Possible thumbnail there. Okay, to find out now is the 0841 Great Western Railway service from Reading to Basingstoke, by 165 116. Jesus. They just sound really angry when they depart. Sorry about that shakes in the camera there. The bloody rain kept splashing on the phone and splashing into my face. And away she goes. Next up for her is Mortimer. Approaching now is the 0846 Great Western Railway service from Basingstoke to Reading. Right by another 165. One 107. Complete with people sleeping. At least the rain's slowing down, I guess. That's the good thing. I'll get her firing up in a second. Okay, pass for now is going to be a cross-country Voyager going from Bournemouth to Manchester Piccadilly. Looks like a Super Voyager. I was about to have a GWR go through from London Paddington to Exeter St David's. 22124. And 802010 with the coupler open. And away she goes. Okay, pass for now is going to be a GWR IET going from Plymouth to London Paddington. She's a long one. $800 316. We should have something very special turning up soon. Can't wait to see it. First time ever seeing this steam loco, so. Okay, approaching now is the 0908 Great Western Railway service from Reading to Newbury. By 387, be the return of one we saw earlier. Should be 165 again, isn't it? 165? Yes, I think it is 165. It is 165. I should get departing in a second. Right, departing now is the 0908 Great Western Railway service from Reading to Newbury. Off she goes. Okay, approaching now is the 0914 Great Western Railway service from Reading to Basingstoke. And after this, I think we might get the rail tour. One of the main things I've come here for. So this is the return of 165. Oh god. 107, and I should get the rear. Really? I should get her going out in a second. Okay, heading off now is the 0914 Great Western Railway service from Reading to Basingstoke. Where she goes. Right, as my phone is getting even more drenched, approaching an hour 0916 Great Western Railway service from Reading to Basingstoke to Reading. And after this should have the steam train. Jesus, this rain's getting awful. 165 112. Right, I'll stop recording. The next train will be the steam train. Okay, folks. Past 3 hours, 34028 Eddystone. Going from London Paddington to Bristol Temple Meads on 1 Zulu 70. Oh yes please. 47812 on the rear. Covered in soot, absolutely love it. Oh yes please. Oh brilliant. Okay, past 3 hours, a GWR 387 going from Newbury to London Paddington. Three 87149. Still can't get over that rail tour. Love that. But I'm hoping, what I think is going to be turning up, or coming back eventually. 5 Alpha 50, London Paddington to Reading train. Yes, she is coming back. 5 Alpha 50, the sleeper on ECS. So we should hopefully see that in either the next clip or a few clips. So yeah, hopefully we should get the 57s coming back. Oh, still can't get over that rail tour, that's mega. Okay folks, past 3 hours, going to be the GWR sleeper train on ECS from London Paddington to Reading Train Care Depot. Having reversed to, I think it was Newbury Racecourse. Pulled by a TNT pair of 67s. '57 604 and '57 301. Oh yes please. Gorgeous. I can't film. Yeah, she goes into the train care depot on the empty sleeper train. Oh yes. Oh god yes. Right, there she goes. God, this rain though. My phone is absolutely drenched. Love it though. Really enjoying it here at Reading West. Really good station to be honest. Just a shame about the rain, but yeah. But yeah, that's a voice crack and a half. Jesus Christ. But yeah, see what else will turn up. Okay, past 3 now. It's going to be a GWR IET going from London Paddington to Plymouth. .800 306. There she goes. The rain is slowly stopping, which is nice as well. Okay, past 3 now is going to be another GWR 387 going from London Paddington to Newbury. Oh, looks like a double pair. 387169. And 170, numerical order. And away she goes. Right, approaching now is the 0936 Great Western Railway service from Newbury to Reading. I'm absolutely drenched. Oh my god, it's getting heavier. 387152. I'm probably going to miss a pass in the service as I'm doing this, but I'm going to go to that platform that says shelter, and I can get a good shot for the next freight train is going towards Reading. So yeah, I'll just gotta get out of this rain. It's getting a bit too much now. Okay, I'm probably going to get bowled, but pass through now is a GBRF class 66 going from Southampton to Tinsley. Yeah, I'm going to get bowled. It's 66707. Yeah. Right, have a safe trip back, mate. Hopefully see you again. No, yeah, mate. Damn it. Well, I've got her just about. Go up here and get a bit more of her. There she goes off to Tinsley Yard. Sir Sam Fate. And thanks very much, 165112 for bowling me. Yeah, just got a chance to a nice train spotter, so. And so I stood there, so I was chatting to him. I didn't want to just walk off and be rude. Alright, 165112's off with the 0941 Great Western Railway service to Basingstoke. Running 9 minutes late. And away she goes. Okay, right, I'm gonna walk up there a bit more and hopefully get the other freight train. But yeah, it's really nice, that train spotter. You got here just before Eddystone turned up. We got chatting for a bit. Sense why the commentary was a bit more blunter than normal. So I was obviously talking to him at the same time. So yeah, no, really nice chap. Give him a follow actually. I'll actually shout him out. So I was talking for a bit and got his Instagram. So yeah, very friendly chap. That's his Instagram. Only spotting 2. So yeah, give him a follow, guys. Really nice chap, David. So yeah, right, let's continue the spot here at Reading West. Luckily the rain's stopping now. And yeah, we'll get hopefully one more freight train through here. Okay, I'm extremely confused. Walk up here a little bit. There's a train coming through now. It's London Waterloo to Alton. I'm not joking. It's Southwestern Route. There's no way this has got to be a bug or something on track C, because there ain't no way this is a Southwestern service coming through. Waterloo to Alton. Let's divert it. I don't know what she's doing. There's no way. I'll believe it till I see it. Let's have a look. I'm not joking. Yeah, going through, about to go through Reading West, 1 hour for 73. So, yeah, I'll let you know when she turns up, if it actually is what I think it is. Okay, it's a bug. I don't know what this is. It's going to London Paddington, that's all you're going to get. Yeah, I don't know why it was showing that Southwestern thing. That is the most random thing I've ever seen. (802.108). I'm just going to check real-time trains. It's, if it shows, oh yeah, Plymouth, that was Plymouth to London Paddington, for some reason shown on tracks here as a South Western service. Yeah, that's just really random. Yeah, she's running about 15 minutes late. There you go. Okay, past 3 hours, a GWR 387 going from, I think, Reading to Newbury Racecourse. Yeah, I think it was that. Three 87151. Yeah, I think that's going to Newbury Racecourse, that one. I think it was on Tracksy. I haven't checked for a little while, so I think that's what it was. Just double check. Yep, Reading to Newbury Racecourse, 1 Zulu 60. And there she goes. Should have a cross-country service in a second, hopefully. Alright, past 3 hours, going to be a cross-country 221 Super Voyager going from Bournemouth to Manchester Piccadilly. Two to 1139. Yeah, they need to sort them Voyagers out, or even get new units. It's just not enough. It's just not enough room. That is full to the brim. If you're going to run a service like that, run a 10 car. At least you'll have a bit more. Yeah, I'm glad I don't live around this area, or well, not around this area. I mean, like I'm glad I don't live somewhere where I have to get a Voyager every day, because bloody hell, I'd dread to get on one of them. It's always rammed solid. I'm really glad South Eastern's never as busy where I'm from. Okay, approaching now is the 1011 Great Western Railway service from Reading to Basingstoke. By 165. Let's see if it'd be anything else. 165, 116 returns. Going out in a second. Right, to find out now is the 1011 Great Western Railway service from Reading to Basingstoke. And away she goes. Shame about the weather today. It's just really woeful, to be honest. But yeah, next train should be a Newbury service. Well, we've got two services turning up here. The first one is the 1016 Great Western Railway service from Basingstoke to Reading, and behind me is going to be the 1015 Great Western Railway service from Reading to Newbury. This is 165107. So yeah, I think the 1015 is about 2 minutes late. Actually, I don't mess around with the doors. The second they stop, the doors open. No messing around. Right, to find out now is the 1016 Great Western Railway service from Basingstoke to Reading. As approaching in is the 1015 Great Western Railway service from Reading to Newbury, running about a minute and a half late. .387.152 leads her in, and I should get the rear, really. I should get her going out in a second. Bloody rear. Very clean. And there she is. Okay, to find out now is the 1016 Great Western Railway service from Reading to Newbury. I don't know what happened there, but the driver got out and shouted to the guys to run down to that door. So I'm guessing the rear door's broke. No idea what happened there. away she goes. That is absolutely solid. Standing room only. Literally everyone's crammed into the doors. Yeah, very surprised. I didn't realise the Newbury services were that busy. Every service is full. I'm not too sure why. I'm not too sure, like... Yeah, for a Saturday as well. I'm quite surprised. Not too sure if there's something in Newbury or... no idea. Right. Got one more freight train. That'll be the end of the video. So, it should be due through 2 minutes ago. I still got the red. So, yeah, that'll be the last clip. Right. Past 3 hours is going to be a Freightliner 66 going from Southampton to Basford Hall Yard. Our last freight train here. $66,545. Couple of tank tainers in there for good measure. And the rest looks like to be flats. FSAs. Oh, got a... Don't know what container these are. Oh, still FSAs. FEAB. Oh God, alright. And as she continues onwards to Basford Hall Yard, I shall leave the video there. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Reading West. Yeah, it's been, apart from the rain has kind of not ruined it, but yeah, I'll have to come back here in like spring when it's really nice, because yeah, when it's just not been very nice here rain wise. But the stuff we've captured here has been absolutely unbelievable. The GWR Riviera sleeper train, the rail tour by Eddystone and 47812. And the freight trains. So yeah, it's been really good here, to be honest. And yeah, I'll definitely come back here, just hopefully on a nicer day. Probably come back here next year, like April, May time, when it's a bit more nicer. But yeah, my next station will be Tilehurst. I'm off to Tilehurst now. So that's another one I need to tick off on that bit. I need to do Cholsey eventually as well, but I'm going to do Tilehurst today. So yeah, I shall see you guys at Tilehurst in my next video. And from here at Reading West, that's gone. I think that's a pass. But from me here at Reading West, I shall see you guys later. Take care, guys, and yeah, from me here at Reading West, I shall see you. I've just said that. Right, yeah. See you in the next train is that video, guys. Jesus Christ, I need to go to bed.